Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video is about beautiful styles of dressing, which is decent and elegant one. In order to watch them all, you have to just take on. These are the perfect, beautiful clothing ideas that are ideal for every single one of you who actually prefers wearing decent styles of dresses and beautiful, superb, elegant dressing style. This pleated one is extremely beautiful with designer tops and embroidered one. So before we move further, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell icon, so whenever I'll upload a new video you will be notified and you can be the first person to watch it and enjoy it. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and I'd also like to introduce to you my Instagram ID. I'm also on Twitter and on Pinterest as well. Links to all of them in the description box below. You guys can follow me there as well, and who have been already supporting me from a long time. I'm really thankful to those. Look at this beautiful, gorgeous dressing ideas. It's fantastic and fantabulous one, which are super decent, super elegant, not too over, not too simple, but perfect for all party occasions and different festive occasions. If you want to be elegant and stylish, this is the perfect way to style your dresses. These are some of the stunning ideas that you can actually try on. And to those who are new here, welcome. Here I upload all fashion related makeup ideas, hairstyles, outfit, nails, and many more. So if you are a fashion enthusiast, this is the right place for you. Share these videos and stay tuned on my channel for more such videos. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below that what kind of videos would you prefer to watch next. It's my pleasure to bring to you beautiful, stunning videos according to your recommendations and suggestions. Your preferences are a lot to me. I'm really thankful to my beautiful viewers who are supporting me. And also don't forget to comment down which one of these dresses did you like the most, which was your favorite most one. Comment down below, and these are perfect for all ages. Doesn't matter young or old, it looks fantabulous on every single one. Look at this beautiful purple one with a beautiful strap and an overcoat jacket up to knee, and this one is with beautiful net sleeves whilst with a long slim dress, and it's a very beautiful one. I'd highly recommend to dress like this in order to style unlike the most stunning and beautiful, prettiest one. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I'll be up with next. Until then, take care of yourselves, your families, your loved ones. Thanks for watching.